Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.
A lot of people break this thing right here. This thing right here is held in by one little tab. You push these tabs in and you slide this out. It's really got a little thing that pushes them in and slides them right out from under this piece of metal, just like that. So you can buy these pretty cheap, and when you get them, you just push them right there and snap them in place. Goes right in real easy. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.